Welcome back, and at this point in time the onion is fully done until it's golden brown. So I'm going to add the potatoes, which I have right here. Make sure you wash the potatoes, and this is what I'm going to do. Just add the potatoes. And try to mix everything in. That's the onion and the potatoes. That's what I have with me. Sorry. That's what I have with me. So I'm going to let this cook. I'm going to cover the pot and let this cook like for almost around 15 minutes. So I'm going to cover this and let this just cook. Apparently I took the wrong lead, and I'm just going to change this. This happens to be the right one.